Hey there, YouTube land. Brimstone 667 here. So, got a little treat for you guys. Now, I haven't showed this one off yet because this was actually a purchase by Moma Brimstone for the ranch. Well, mom to me, I should say. But yeah, so this is a pretty unique truck. She got it for a real good deal. Sorry about the noise. You know, traffic right here on the road. Let me pop you in. So yeah, let's check this out. She got this for a really good deal. It's a 1966 Ford bucket truck. You got toolboxes there, got the bucket there. Got some outriggers. Like, pretty neat truck actually. Because she's been wanting to get one for a bit now so she can trim up the trees at the property. You know, somehow there's a thing in here, I haven't figured it out. I haven't got to mess with it yet myself for playing with the back end. But yeah, she got this for like a steal of a deal here in town. So let's see if I can get this open. I'm gonna have to put you guys down first. Just a second. Sorry about that. So it takes two hands to open this, but check that out. It's got a 300 inline 6 in it, and that's actually a new carburetor that me and Moma Brimstone put on, because the other one that was on there, it was rebuilt but it was missing some pieces and it just wasn't working right. So this one, it's doing a little bit better, but it has a high idle problem, and so I got to try to figure that out. I'm thinking maybe if I put a longer idle screw in, because the idle screw actually doesn't even touch the throttle. But we're going to see if we can do a cold start for you guys. Now, also, just like my Jeep, surprise, surprise, it has a starter problem. But also has a funky ignition. Oh, sorry about my finger being in the way there. Let's see if that works any. Also, something really weird. It has a reverse choke for some reason. So, I guess out, it's open, in, it's closed. Which I haven't really figured that out, why it's like that. I don't know. And I don't know if this is even set up. That should be for the throttle, but we're just going to try this. Oh! So, it's been sitting for about a week. Oh, wow. Okay. So, yeah, it's been sitting for a week. That was actually kind of cool. Big oil pressure. Well, like I said, carburetor's not fully tuned quite right. And it's got a squeaking bearing. Sorry about the noise, guys. Yeah, but it's got a squeaking bearing too. I think the water pump's going out. But yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised that it fired up so well. But yeah, so that's the first look for you guys. So, and actually the first cold start on this with new carburetor, China carburetor too, you know, off of eBay. So yeah, but yeah, you know, oh, come on. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one, because this is cool. You know, I'm kind of jealous of her, actually, to be honest, because that's actually a neat little truck. But she's going to use it around the ranch, trimming up the trees up there. And she kind of wants to start a business there in town out there, and for now, some extra income, you know, especially with right now. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, like always, like, comment, subscribe, you know, if you want to. But yeah, helps out the channel a lot. So we will see you on the next one. Bye.